Hey there, how are you guys? It's Marco here from Gigrobe. So I wanted to create a quick tutorial that will explain you how you can actually charge a service fee for your partners. So in this example, I've created like a gig store that's basically called Burger House London, and um, this gig store will contain all the restaurants that are selling burgers in London. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can actually add the partner, such as restaurant, to your gig store, and how you can actually charge the service fee for their product. So let's get into it right now. All right. So what are we going to do first is that we're going to create a gig that's basically going to act as a service fee. And I'm going to show you later how we can add it to the product. Okay, let's just call it service fee and let's make it $1. This is a service fee. And here in the categories, I think we can select service fee, right? And we want to hide it from our gig store. We don't want to show this fee, this gig. Let's just select credit card. All right. So yeah, that's about it actually. Awesome. So we're going to save this. Great. So next up, I'm going to show you how to add a team member or a partner. In this case, we are using a restaurant in this example. So it can be any person from the restaurant, maybe an owner or somebody who's like managing the online things, or so let's just do it. And let's just call it James Smith. James Smith. James Smith. All right. So next up is that we want to add custom capability for this user. We want to actually allow them some access to your gig store, and we want to prohibit them some parts of your gig store. So in this case, in this scenario, we can actually manage and hide all type of things that we can. In this case, restaurants probably don't need downloadable products. They don't really need bookable products. So we're just going to leave simple, variable, and product bundle. But yeah, as you can see, there are plenty of options that you can check. And when it's off, this hypothetical person, James Smith, will only have access to the parts that are on. So if we just say this is off, they're not going to be able to create a bookable product in this case. So, and we also want to, if we're adding the partner, we want to hide this option linked, and I'm going to explain later why. And we also want to moderate each submission, and we can do that by disabling this auto submit live offerings, manage offerings, delete, and we don't want to allow them to delete offerings, and to edit. So they can submit the offering and see the products. All right. So that's about it. Let's just create this partner. Awesome. So when you create the partner, they will automatically receive the notification that their account has been created, and they will receive the login credentials. So they will log into your dashboard basically. So let's just presume that I logged in here as a James Smith, and I'm going to add. I'm a restaurant staff, and I want to add my burger. Let's say the burger from my restaurant, and let's just do that. Like, this is a burger, large burger, and it costs $7. Okay, so we are going to select food and drink. You're going to select here Stripe. Let's just say this is a large burger. Let's just add some image. Okay. And yeah, so we have a lot of different options here to manage, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to go through those things. And yeah, so let's just submit this product. So when the restaurant owner submits the product, you will receive notification that the product has been added and that you should moderate it. So when you receive the notification, you just log in and go to My Gigs and actually accept the approval. So let's just presume that happened. Like, I don't have a lot of time now to explain you that, but what I wanted to show you now is that as a restaurant, as a gig store owner, you can actually add a service fee to this product. So let's just presume that we are on your account right now. You would just go here to linked, and here in the service fees, it says select the service fee, a gig you previously created that will be automatically added to the cart when the main product is added. So we already created our fee, service fee, and let's just click on submit. All right. So obviously the restaurant owner will not have the access to this linked part because we disabled that in the capability settings. So if we go to see the product now, it says large burger $7, and it will also add the service fee. So let's just continue to checkout. And as you can see, there's $1 here added, like the service fee that we created. And if the customer is like purchasing, right, in particular this burger from this burger joint, they will have to pay the fee, and you can deduct that fee like when you receive the money in your account. All right, so hopefully that explained it. Obviously, this can be used for any type of service. I'm just giving the example of the restaurant, but this is how you can actually charge the service fee for within your gig store. And yeah, so yeah, that's about it. We're going to be posting a lot of tutorials that will show you how you can actually use Gigro to your advantage, and how you can actually make money from it. So this is one way where you can, as I said, like where you can charge a service fee for a particular product. And yeah, so that's about it. Thanks very much for your time, and obviously we're here to answer your questions if you have any. And yeah, that's about it. All right, thanks.